In crucial swing state Florida, U.S. President Donald Trump took advantage of early voting and cast his ballot. Once again, the president raised questions on the safety of mail-in voting, which millions of Americans have done amid the worsening COVID-19 pandemic.
It was a very secure vote, much more secure than when you send in a ballot, I can tell you that.
Yet in 2018 and in the 2020 primary, the president cast his ballot by mail. But the Trump campaign feels mail-in voting benefits Democratic presidential candidate Joe Biden, after polls showed roughly half of his supporters would vote that way.
Experts tell us we're going to lose nearly another 200,000 lives nationwide in the next several months. All because this president cares more about the stock market than he does you.
The president is focused on reopening the country as new cases of COVID-19 increase in 41 states, skyrocketing in parts of the Midwest. 15 states are shattering new records for hospitalizations. Experts say precautions desperately need to be taken.
We're not talking about shutting down, but we're talking about doubling down on some of the fundamental public health measures that we need to adhere to: the universal wearing of masks, the physical distancing.
Even as the death toll continues to rise, Dr. Fauci says the White House coronavirus task force is no longer meeting daily, just weekly. The Association of American Medical Colleges is calling for a coordinated national testing program.
With routine testing, we can find places and find individuals who are infected faster and make sure we isolate them.
In Illinois, a death toll approaching 9,500 people brought the state's public health director to tears.
These are people who started with us in 2020 and won't be with us at the Thanksgiving table.
President Trump keeps telling his supporters the U.S. is rounding the corner and a vaccine could be just weeks away. But public health experts dispute that, while issuing dire warnings the worst of the pandemic is still to come. Jennifer Johnson, Global News, Washington.